Okay guys, I think there's a car meet that I'm going with my brother and one of his friends. I don't know, I haven't been to car meet in a very long time. It is a little exciting, but I'm gonna take you guys with me so you guys can. What is this on my car? Yeah. Of course, I got my GoPro Hero 7, and what else do we have? Yeah. So, oh yeah, he's flicking me up. No. Yeah, 5 minutes. So what are you talking about over there? I told him, he was waiting on me at the car wash. I told him, yo, I'll be there in 5 minutes, literally, like top. So he literally said, hey Victor, where are you? Like, are you gonna be here? Like I hold him about like 10 minutes. I'm usually never on time. Okay, what we're gonna get out. Jesus Christ. And we got our, it says, no reckless driving, no burnout, no excessive, respect the property, respect the... And we all know how that goes at the very end, so... I'm gonna grab my water and we're gonna get out. Holy shit. Good. That. I had the same door just like you did. Okay, how'd you get it out? I got it. Yeah. So who are the two that are running tonight?
Yeah, they want to run.
This one and the black one, or
this one and this guy right here.
Oh. Is this a? It looks pretty. Is this a C? Oh. Oh, you already. Oh, this. Yeah. He did the same thing as my brother. He deleted the seat. That's pretty cool, man. What have you done?
All the way to the trunk.
All the way to the trunk?
Yeah.
Holy shit. I was surprised the seat don't weigh so much. Oh my god. He also took out the speakers.
And the spare tire and everything.
Oh my god.
I'm going light today. I got a few carbon fiber.
Few carbon fiber.
Oh, pieces. I got more coming, but...
Can I check it out?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, this guy did the carbon fiber all the way around the steering. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty dope.
You wanna know what the funny part is?
What?
I drive a Jeep.
Oh. Oh yeah, let's not get caught, right?
You gotta hit the brakes.
Oh, I want rub it.
Oh, wait.
I want rub it.
You don't want him to get kicked out, huh?
No. Can we stop the hood?
Yeah.
Oh god, this looks pretty dope. You get the Calder Canyon, and beside of the Calder, what else you got going on with it?
That's it. This is Calder intake, weight reduction.
They will go.
And right now I keep up with the RTs.
RT?
Yep. I'm getting a 80mm throttle body later.
Oh, that's pretty dope. You're gonna run it against that one tonight?
Yep.
Yeah, I want to check that out. I want to see that. Generally, I'm excited for this one because of the weight reduction that you have.
Oh yeah. Nothing's bad with the D6. That's fine.
2015. Yeah. Holy shit. Oh, this is all. Hey, didn't know this. Man, these are looks. Man, American muscle car always gets me, I swear. I think this is a 2016, the all-wheel drive version. This one and this one gonna run it tonight. But he got a lot of weight. He got a lot of things out of his car. A lot of things. Holy shit! Look at these tires, huh? Okay, guys. someone's gonna run it tonight, so I want to be part of that race. Ooh. I don't know who it is gonna be, but I think there is 2 V6 Challenger, but I think they both got like cool shit done to it, so holy shit. So we're gonna go see how is that race gonna go. I'm actually interested, see how that's gonna go. My car is dirty as fuck. But oh, look at that Civic, goddamn. That's a badass motherfucking Civic over there. Yeah, they're gonna run it, but I'm not gonna be showing their plate number just for the privacy, of course. We got the 5.0, we got the Miata gains. Holy shit. We're not allowed to rev it, so that's why everybody's trying to keep it low key. Oh gosh. Yeah, no, everybody's like trying to keep it cool. Holy shit. So we are gonna go head to Mexico, and I think they're gonna run it in Mexico. Yeah, we're gonna go to Mexico all over. So we'll see how that goes. Actually, I'm generally interested to see them to do the run. My mouth is okay, guys. I'm sorry, but I was way too nervous. So. Guys, holy shit. But yeah, we're gonna go to the Mexico area, and they're gonna run it in Mexico. I'm like I said, I haven't seen a race in a very long time, so I'm actually excited. So woo. That sounds so good. Come on, TC, make some noise with some power. The problem I have with this car, like, it skips second gear a lot. But soon, I promise, guys, we got a cold air intake for this guy, and we got a cold air intake and exhaust, everything. We're not gonna make, I don't know, should we call this the race mobile? I don't know. What are we thinking? Oh good God, they're leaving me in the dust. Woo! I'm gonna try to keep it low key. It's going, tonight is gonna be freaking lit. This video may be like 40 minutes almost, because I think we're gonna go back to the car meet, and there's like a couple of cars that we want to check it out. The Kia is like, I'm really curious to see how that Kia does. I have seen the owner before. He's a friend of my, like my brother friend. So I swear on everything, guys, if those guys ever do anything, like the video, you guys will be seeing the video. If those guys ever do anything, trust me, the cop is not gonna go after them. They are gonna go after the TC. I think it's because of the color, or I don't know. I think this guy is like just trying to, you know, like hang around us, the truck. shit. Holy shit. I'm literally behind this guy who's my brother, but is that WRX trying to do a pull or something? Maybe this truck next to us wants it. Hold on. Of course, we got the night level. These two are gonna run it tonight. Okay. Hold up. I'm thinking to get between them. Oh shit, I think he is turning. Get a lot of hate for hanging out with the fucking, of course we're hanging out with the fastest, like 707 horsepower, of course, and the truck, they said he's good, so I thought it was just somebody like stalking us or some shit. I don't know. Holy shit, that's a lot of brake to be wasted. Yeah, I think this dude is like curious on the cars too. Ooh, we got the van on. Oh yeah, we're taking a turn. Oh, go, go. Yeah, I feel like he's just trying to get the shot. I didn't know he was with us. He's not with us, but I think he's really trying to cruise around with us, so just in case I have to run it against someone, I want to be able to see. And weight reduction too. Why does my car making that noise? Woo! I'm not sure what happened with that truck. Oh shit. Why am I getting next to him like I'm about to do a pull? Oh, my head, my hair is freaking crazy. I think the truck is gonna look at the other side. Whew, I'm curious to see how this one is gonna go. My God. This one looks pretty dope, I think. Let me get out of his way. But of course, their plate number is gonna be off. I don't wanna show plate numbers or the owners. Holy shit. I'm curious to see when are they gonna run it. We're gonna go back to my car. Maybe I'll be standing in the other side so we can see who's the winner of the day. Whoa, 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 whoa. We got the yellow bee and we got two challengers that are gonna run it way up there. So we're gonna get the good shot out of it. Oh yeah, they started. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh no. Yeah, I got it.
Damn, dude, the red one got fast, bro.
Just weight reduction?
Huh?
Just weight reduction? Holy crap.
Do another one? Alright, hey.
Oh,
Wanna go over there?
yeah. My door is still open. The red one really got it. I wasn't expecting that. Okay, we're gonna get out there. Here we go. Oh my god, here they come. Oh my gosh. Now we're just gonna be on the side. The red one really got something. Oh no. I literally felt it. I really felt it. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. I think we gotta get the fuck out of here before cops get to us. Just so you guys know, this was in Mexico, so. Of course, I'm not gonna be showing their plate number.
You got it?
Yeah.
You got good videos?
Yeah, I got it.
Alright, we'll just talk at the...
Okay, we're gonna head back to the car. Holy shit, there's Kia. Damn. I think my brother knows the owner. He says he put like a bigger turbo on it.
Good.
You are my everything. That's dope. But oh my god, this Kia looks pretty badass for being a Kia. Holy shit. I wonder where's the owner. But yeah, that I am fine. Look at Bart. But that is a sick little Kia. My brother knows the owner of this car. He says he put on a bigger turbo, I think. Oh, we got some Civics, G37s, and of course STI. Holy shit! Holy shit! Of course, I think it's lowered, and I get pulled over for having tint, bro. I get pulled over for tint. That's a sick little Subi, guys. Holy shit. The G37. Oh, are these carbon fibers? I think this is fuck cancer. That's dope. But I think it's just G37. That looks pretty dope, Oh, hold up. Okay. Holy shit, look at the Chrysler 300 with the LED light all the way in the wheels. What is noise on my car? I'm pretty sure my car is just not so happy with me. Jesus Christ. Ooh, I think I know the owner of this Tundra. I've like talked to him before. Yeah, that's a dope ass Sandra. Hello. I think this truck is following us. Let me call them and see if he's with us. I'm not sure.